Hi everyone, A&M here. Today we're talking about something super important, cybersecurity. It's all about staying safe online, and it's for everyone, not just computer whizzes. In our digital world, we use computers and phones for everything. We shop, bank, and connect with friends online. This makes cybersecurity more important than ever. Just like we lock our doors at home, we need to protect our digital lives. That's what cybersecurity is all about. Are you ready to learn some cool cybersecurity basics? Let's go. Cybersecurity is like a shield for our digital lives. It protects our computers, phones, and all the information we store on them. Think of it like this. Cybersecurity keeps the bad guys from stealing your online stuff, like passwords and credit card numbers. It's also about making sure our devices and the information on them are safe and sound. Cybersecurity helps keep everything running smoothly. So, cybersecurity is super important for keeping our digital lives safe and secure. In cybersecurity, we have a secret weapon, the CIA Triad. Don't worry, it's not as mysterious as it sounds. The CIA Triad stands for confidentiality, integrity, and availability. These three things work together to keep our information safe. Confidentiality means keeping our secrets secret. It's like having a lock on your diary so only you can read it. Integrity makes sure our information doesn't get messed up. Imagine someone changing your grades on a report card. That's a breach of integrity. Availability means we can access our information whenever we need it. It's like making sure the library is open when you need to borrow a book. Now let's talk about the bad guys' threat actors. These are the people or groups who try to attack our systems and steal our information. First up, we have hackers. These are tech-savvy folks who use their skills to break into computer systems, sometimes for fun, sometimes for profit. Then there are insiders. These are people who already have access to our information, like an employee or a friend. They might misuse this access, accidentally or on purpose. We also have nation-states. These are countries that might try to steal information or disrupt other countries' systems. Knowing about different types of threat actors helps us better protect ourselves. Threat actors use different tricks to attack our systems. We call these tricks attack vectors. One common attack vector is phishing. It's like fishing for information, but instead of a fishing rod, they use emails or websites that look real but aren't. Malware is another big one. It's like a computer virus that can steal your information or mess up your computer. Weak passwords are also a problem. If your password is too easy to guess, like password 123, it's like leaving your front door wide open. Finally, outdated software is a big no-no. It's like driving an old car with no safety features. It's an accident waiting to happen. Encryption and non-repudiation are two more important cybersecurity concepts. Don't worry, they're not as complicated as they sound. Encryption is like putting your message in a secret code. Only the person with the key can read it. Think of it like sending a secret message in invisible ink. Non-repudiation is like having a digital signature. It proves that you sent a message or made a transaction, and you can't deny it later. These tools help us keep our information safe and secure online. Check out these certifications. If you're interested in learning more about cybersecurity, there are some great beginner-friendly certifications you can check out. One popular option is the CompTIA Network Plus and CompTIA Security Plus. It's a great starting point for understanding cybersecurity basics. CompTIA Network Plus focuses on networking fundamentals. It teaches how networks operate, which is essential for understanding how cyber attacks happen. This certification is great for entry-level IT or cybersecurity roles such as help desk, network operations center, NOC, or technical support. Being vendor neutral, the skills gained apply across any network environment. CompTIA Security Plus covers core cybersecurity concepts. It includes topics like threats, vulnerabilities, risk management, and incident response. It's ideal for roles such as security analyst, SOC analyst, or other junior cybersecurity positions. It is also DoD approved, making it a valuable credential for government and military cybersecurity roles under IAM/IAT Level 2. These certifications can help you gain valuable skills and knowledge to protect yourself, and maybe even start a career in cybersecurity. That's it for our cybersecurity crash course. Remember, staying safe online is an ongoing process. Keep learning, ask questions, and stay informed about the latest threats. By being aware and taking simple precautions, we can all enjoy the digital world safely and securely. Stay curious and stay safe, everyone.